How to enable AMD V in BIOS. If you are trying to install virtual machine on your AMD computer, you might get this error like this. It says, the host supports AMD V, but AMD V is disabled. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's get started. First, to fix this, restart your computer. Then go to BIOS by pressing your BIOS key when computer starts. There are different BIOS keys for different motherboard manufacturer. If you don't know what is your BIOS key, just search it on Google with your motherboard manufacturer name. After entered on BIOS, go to Overclocking tab. Then click on Advanced CPU Configuration. Then click on SVM mode. Then select Enabled. Tap Enter. Now go to Save and Exit tab. Then click on Save Changes and Reboot. After computer fully starts, let's run the virtual machine again. Done! The virtual machine runs successfully on AMD computer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial review channel for more videos.